Hi there, I have a Maytag Series 3000 washer getting the E2F9 error code. I replaced the drain pump with a brand new one this past Tuesday. It's worked for a few washes, but as of this morning, the same error codes are returning. Ken Broderick.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
I'm really not sure. I bought the house about 3 years ago with the washer already here. The paperwork with machine says W103-85295. It's a front-loading machine.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Well, I did the drain pump myself, but beyond that, I'm not sure. I had a service scheduled to come out, but they charge $120 just for the visit, so, if it's not the drain pump, I might be inclined to just buy a new machine.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I think that's everything.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question.
Thank you.
So unfortunately this error isn't going to be the drain pump itself, that would be an E1F9 error. The E2F9 error means that the communication between the pump and the control board is failing. That could be a bad wire connection between the pump and control board, or your main CCU control board mounted in the upper front right corner under the top panel of the washer is failing and needs to be replaced. All you can do is check the wiring and make sure it's all secure, and if that check's good, the CCU mounted to the right wall in the upper front right corner would need to be replaced. The part is usually about $250, I'm sorry to say. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Well, by the time I get a service to my house that charges $120 for the visit, $250 for the part, and I'm not sure about labor. Sounds like I might be better off just buying a new machine?
That's completely up to you, of course, but if you're handy you can replace this part yourself. It's all plug and play, and the top panel comes off by just removing the screws coming in from the back of the top panel. Then the top panel pulls straight back, up and off. It probably takes 20 minutes to swap out the part, but the part is not cheap.
If I did have a service do it, can you give me a rough estimate for labor, since you said it only takes about 20 minutes?
It would just be the trip charge and minimum labor, so probably about $150 total.
Basically about $400, roughly?
Yes, that sounds about right.
Okay, thanks for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.